Welcome to Premath. In this video lesson, we have got green, yellow, and red squares inside the rectangular box such that they make angles 31 degrees, 43 degrees, and 28 degrees, as you can see in this diagram. And now we are going to calculate this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and draw vertical parallel lines that are going to pass through these connecting points over here. As you can see in this new diagram, and we can see that all these lines are parallel to each other. And here's our next step. Let's recall alternate angles. And here are our alternate interior angles. This angle is congruent to this angle. And here we got these two parallel lines cut by this transversal line. And if we draw another line that is parallel to this transversal line, then this angle is going to be congruent to this angle, and we are going to use this property in solving this given problem. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and do the calculations now. We know that this angle is congruent to this angle, and if this angle is 31 degrees, this angle has got to be 31 degrees as well. But we know that this angle is, the whole angle is 43 degrees. Therefore, this tiny angle, this one, is going to be the difference of 43 minus 31. So that is going to make 12 degrees. And now we know that this angle is 12 degrees, and this is congruent to this tiny angle as well, since they are alternate interior angles. So this angle has got to be 12 degrees as well. And now let's focus on this yellow square. We know that since this is a square, so this angle has got to be 90-degree angle. And now let's recall straight angle property. That means this whole angle from here to here is going to be 180 degrees. And we could see that this 180 degrees is equal to the sum of these individual angles, this 12 degrees, this 90 degrees, and this part of the angle. So therefore, we can see that this part of the angle is going to be 78 degrees. Because if we add all these three individual angles, they add up to 180 degrees indeed. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and look at this angle, which is 28 degrees, and this angle is congruent to this angle. If this angle is 28 degrees, this angle has got to be 28 degrees as well. And now we can see that this angle X is equal to the sum of these two individual angles, 78 degrees and 28 degrees. So therefore, we can write X is equal to 78 degrees plus 28 degrees. Let's go ahead and add them up. So X turns out to be 106 degrees. So thus our angle X turns out to be 106 degrees. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.